Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, look at this two parts of each sentence. There are two groups of each sentences that are A group and B group. Look at this sentence carefully. First one, the sun, and in B column it is written rises in the east. Second, the dog is running after the cat. Third, the peacock is dancing under the tree. Fourth, Rahul's sister was playing in the park. Children, what you have noticed in the sentences? Part A contains the person or the things we are talking about. Okay? The sun, the dog, the peacock, Rahul's sister. These are the persons. Yes or no? Or the things or the animals which we are talking about. So we call it as the subject of the sentence. For these words which speak about the person or the thing. Okay? So that words are called the subjects. So children, what is subject? The subject is that part of a sentence which names the person or things we are speaking about. Okay, children? Now just look at the part B. It contains some statement about the subject. It tells something about the subject. That is, where sun rises in the east. How dog is running? Dog is running after the cat. What peacock is doing? The peacock is dancing under the tree. What Rahul's sister is doing? Rahul's sister was playing in the park. Yes. So these sentences, rises in the east, is running after the cat, is dancing under the tree, was playing in the park. These sentences are called the predicate. So children, what is predicate? The predicate is that part of a sentence which says something about the subject. Now children, suppose one sentence is given. So how to find out which is the subject and which is the predicate? So for that, there is a very simple rule. First rule is, words to the left of the verb forms the subject. Means the word which is there left side of your hand, which comes left side, that verb or that words are called the subjects. Second one, the verb and the words following the verb form the predicates. Means the word or verbs which comes after the subjects are called the predicates, or we have to mark that as a predicate. Okay children? For example, the fairy visited the little girl. Now children, here which is the subject? Remember the simple rule. That is, the word which comes in the left side are the subject. So left side words are the fairy. So subject is the fairy. And then predicate will be the remaining part of the sentence. Visited the little girl. In some cases, the subject usually occurs before the predicate. Sometimes the subject occurs after the predicate or part of it. For example, after the match, the players were felicitated. Now here, the subject is the players. Okay? And predicate is were felicitated after the match. Now children, in this, in some cases, we can see that the subject comes in the between or after the predicate also. Okay, it is not happening for every sentence, but in some cases, in some sentences, it occurs like that. Okay children? Now let's test yourself whether you have understood the subject and predicate or no. First question. Match the subject and the predicate to make sentence. Here it is said that two columns are given and we have to match first column with the second column to make the correct sentence. Okay, so bird is a subject. So we have to search the predicate. So birds lives in nest. So we have to match it. Birds live in nest. Then second, Raman. Now what Raman does is a lovely flower. No, it is not a correct sentence. Then Raman brushed his teeth. Yes, this predicate suits to the subject. Yes or no? So match the Raman brushed his teeth. Number 3, the rose. How the rose is? Lovely flower. So match the second option, that is the rose is a lovely flower. Question number 2. Choose a suitable subject for each predicate. Now here they have given the subject in the bracket. We have to choose the correct subject and place it in a sentence. Okay, because predicate is given. First one, dash is very hot. What is very hot? God, the son, the servant, all parents, my father. What is hot? Sun is very hot. Very good. Number 2, dash love their children. Who loves their children? All parents. So pick up all parents. All parents love their children. Dash cleaned the table. Who cleaned the table? The servant. So right here, the servant cleaned the table. Okay, children. Now let's move to question number 3. Choose the suitable predicate for each subject. In the bracket, some predicates are given. Number 1, girls. What girls are doing? Girls are plucking flowers. So right here are plucking flowers. Number 2, the lion. How is lion? The lion is the king of all animals. Number 3, a mango. How is mango? A mango has a sweet taste. Question number 4. Identify the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. First one, a buzzing bee likes flower. Subject is a buzzing bee and predicate is likes flower. A huge spaceship landed on the field. So your subject will be a huge spaceship and predicate will be landed on the field. Okay children, clear? So children, I hope you must have understood what is subject and predicate. So keep learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.